All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I got something pretty cool right over here in this pouch that I'm gonna check out, but hold on a second, guys. Check out this button here, it says subscribe, and the other one, like right here with the thumbs up, maybe it's gonna do something nice for the website, and YouTube likes a lot if you click that and click that as well. And also, you know, Fab likes a lot if you check fablades.com and see what is going on there. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you guys think about this fella right over here? It comes with this nice pouch, it's zippered, but yeah, we are here to check out this boy right over here. Would you look at this blade right there? Let's check the size first. We got 8 centimeters for the cutting edge and 11 and 12. I would say 12 for the handle overall, tip to toe, 20 centimeters. It is a very interesting one. This is the V1 Mini Opiate Reate made black snow custom designed liner lock micarta scales, titanium liners and clip, and a beast of a blade. It is wow, it reminds me like a cleaver kind of. Look at this action going on over here. Anyways, let's check this out, guys. A huge oversized pivot going on over here. I like this touch over there. 2 screws holding together the micarta scales, which are nice. I have a nice rugged feeling. Titanium liners, titanium backspacer. You have a space for the lanyard, which is gonna be held in place by this pin right there. Blade perfectly centered, recessed nicely, safe. You have a hidden hardware pocket clip, kind of like a deep carry pocket clip. This much knife is gonna be sticking out from your pocket, but hidden hardware is the way to go to keep this lock side, clip side, super clean. I like it a lot. Like the spacer. This is a flipper, of course. There's some nice jimping going on over here, which is suggesting that your preferred deployment method would be a push button, even if like you can even do a light switch, just grabbing it from the back, not a biggie. Very nicely flush design all the way around. Pretty cool fit and finish. There's no stainless steel lock. There's no lightning pockets on these titanium liners, nicely blasted. So this is not going to contribute to weight reduction. In fact, not super heavy, but this guy is going to be 5.18 ounces in your pocket. So definitely you're gonna feel this fella when you're carrying it around. Beautiful action, really cool. This blade, let me see, 3.84 millimeters, sorry, and 0.3 behind the edge, so that's pretty thin. That's very nice. Full flat grind, nice and long flats, reaching this up top part of the blade, which is nicely chamfered, a little bit rounded off over here, and not so much in this part over there. Pretty big finger choil going on over here. There's no jimping, so I'm seeing this might dig a little bit into your flesh. Just be careful, but yeah, kind of feels pretty good like that indeed. In the hand, it feels nice. Definitely. I feel a definitely hot spot right over here. It's not overly comfortable, I have to say, at least for my hands. In this position, yeah, a little bit better, a little bit more advanced grip is going to do it better, but like that, not so much. There's some landing area here for your finger, right? That's pretty cool. When you just, flip the knife, it's not gonna, your finger is not gonna drag around along the liners, maybe like hurt. So it's nicely done right there. Pretty much in the same fashion it's done in the disengagement area, which is right here. So it's not like super accessible, as you can see, but it's like there's some chamfer here and there, so you can angle a little bit your thumb and disengage. properly the blade. You get a stainless steel lock face insert right over there. It's going to eliminate any lock stick going on between the titanium of the liner and the steel of the blade. That's a pretty cool thing. The clip cannot be reversed. It's just gonna live on this side of the knife. And if you can see from the beginning of the video, this knife was definitely lighter. So the oils from my hands are impregnating the micarta and rendering it a little bit darker, which is pretty cool. This is black micarta, I think. I mean, it looks dark. So it dries out and becomes like grayish, but if you oil it, it's gonna become darker, and I appreciate that. I actually prefer that color right there. Stainless steel lock face insert is screwed in from the outside, so you can remove it, change it, replace it. So that's fantastic. It's a very, very cool thing. I'm really not a fan of the glued one, but sometimes it happens. Not the end of the world, but this is better for sure. Runs on bearings, of course. That's why the action is like that. The sound, cluck, very deep. Beautiful. Very unique sound. Ergonomically speaking, it's not perfect for my hands. I mean, it's good when I do a more advanced grip, but the action, definitely. It's very cool. There is also a detent ball ramp. Or no, I don't know. Let me see. Actually, no, there's not. But the hard step is not that hard, so that's pretty good. Anyways, guys, this thing has a pretty cool action, has a very cool look for sure. And if you cannot afford the full custom one, which is gonna be very expensive, you can afford this one, probably, because they are in the $300, $350 range, so it's attainable. It's not like super cheap, not really super expensive, but it's attainable. You can do it. If you love it, go for it, because it's a very well-made knife. I like the look. It really feels okay in the hand, not like a champion of ergonomics, but has a very good look, very nice action. Materials employed are spot on, and I dig it. So there you have it. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.